In today's complex world, it is increasingly hard to find your way. There is just too much information, new confusing technologies popping up all the time. Interaction design comes to rescue. It makes the communication between humans and machines easy. Interaction designers help to create interactive digital products, environments, systems, and services that work. Do you want to make the world a better place? Join our International Master's Program of Interaction Design. We learn by doing, and our study projects are based on real-life briefs by real-life companies. Real-life professionals will be your mentors. Anyone with a BA can join, and you don't need a design degree to become a student. Diversity is key, and we want our students from different backgrounds to complete each other. Our team consists of competent educators with international work experience from companies like Google, Microsoft, and IDEO. Applications deadline is May 1st. Let's create the future together. Join our International Master's Program of Interaction Design.